know that sound? Soyez le bienvenu! Mabuhay po tayo dyan! Welcome back po for Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Pointing at ideas in French. Meet cela, ceci, cela, et ça. Small words, but big meaning. It can be used informal or in casual way, near or far. And you've got this. Are you ready? Let's go. What are they? What are they? Ceci, cela et ça. Ça démonstrative are demonstrative pronouns. Okay? Souci. Dice ceci, no? Souci. Okay? Cela et ça. Il remplace un nom et indique une distance au décidé général. Okay? Donc, they replace a noun and show distance or general ideas. Okay? We know this. Example, demonstrative pronoun, pronom. C'est des pronoms. Okay? Pronoun. Okay, they are, in French, it's called souci. Pag souci, ito, this one, malapit. Okay, ito yon, ito, susi. And then sula, that, yan, sula. Yan. Gusto ko yan. That one, yes, okay. I like that, okay, that. Okay, that's formal. But sa, yung CCD, this is spoken only. Ito o yan, in casual way. We use it, ça va, okay, ça, c'est susi, ça, okay. That, this or that in a spoken way. In a spoken, okay? We just say it but not in a writing, not really in writing, okay? Okay, did you get them all? So, susi, ito, this one, and sula is that one, yun, iyan, isa is used only in speaking, but not really in writing, okay? Ito o yan, okay? Get them all? Okay, répétez s'il vous plaît. Ceci, cela et ça. Bravo. Okay, so we have to have souci. We're going to explain souci. Souci is utilisé pour quelque chose de proche, malapit. Used for something near, malapit. Ito, this one, okay? Informal, this is formal way, informal way, okay? This, okay? So, like for example, okay, ceci est important. Okay, you're holding it. Ceci c'est important. What I'm talking about is important. Okay, mahalaga ito. This is important. Okay, ceci, this one first. This, you are pointing at something which is very important. Okay, so ceci est important. Okay, get it? Mahalaga ito. This is important. It's near you. Nasa harapan mo. It's in front of you. It's near you. Ceci, this one. Okay, ceci. Okay. When we say avec souci, do you think anything else in front of you? Avec souci, okay, in front of you. Do you want something else in front of you, like that? Avec souci, okay. Something else with more in front of you, okay. Avec souci, okay. Get it? Okay. Souci, Hindi siya sesi, no? Souci. Okay, merci. Now we have sula. Après souci, nous avons cela. Dis cela, hein? Cela. Cela, utilisé pour quelque chose de longtemps, ou déjà mentionné formel, longtemps. It means used for something far. Lointain is far, or already mentioned, formel. Okay? Utilisé is used for quelque chose, for something far already mentioned, de longtemps ou déjà mentionné. Okay? When you read that, please be careful when reading. You l'utilisez pour quelque chose de longtemps ou déjà mentionné. Okay, mentionné, hindi siya mentionné, ha? Mention in English, it's just the same, but it's not the same in spelling and the pronunciation. Okay, ito yung that. This one is that. Okay? Iyan o iyon. Near or far also. Okay? Ang push shoes tulon to malayo siya sa inyo. Okay, example. In French, cela est difficile. Halimbawa, you have an example. You did an examen or cela est difficile. L'examen en mathématiques, l'examen en français en DELP, cela est difficile. Par contre, sinabi nyo TCF ang next nyo, cela est TCF yan, cela est difficile. Okay? Cela, mahirap yung test na yan. Okay? Mahirap yan. This is difficult. Okay? Walang mahirap kung nag-aaral. Okay? Yun lang. Okay? We need to study hard or harder, more. Okay? So, sula. Sula. Sula est difficile. Yan o yun o that. Okay? Get it? Sula. Merci. And the last is ça. But ça, si c'est dit, si c'est dit, comme ça. Okay? Utilisé en français parlé or informel. This is informel. Informal way, okay? Used in spoken French. We just say it, but we don't really write it, okay? Okay? So, ito o yan in casual way. This or that, okay? So, example, ça va? Okay? When you ask somebody, ça va? Ayos ka lang ba? Are you okay? How are you? Okay? Ça va? Okay. Get it? Sa. But this is only when you ask, ça va? Okay ka, ayos ka lang ba? He or she is in front of you, this or that. Okay. Okay. Pag halimbawa, you buy something. Alo, ça va? You bought it. Okay. Do you think it's good? This is good? Oui, ça va. Okay, ça va. Is it good? Ça va. C'est pas exceptionnel, mais ça va. It's okay lang. Okay? Get it? Ça is only in spoken way. Utilisé en français parler informel. Okay, ça va. Okay. Et vous, ça va? Okay, merci. Okay, let's have examples pour les sentences or phrases. Okay? Cela me plaît. Gusto ko yan. Cela. Cela, I like that, okay? Cela me plaît. Play is player, from the word player. You like it, okay? Ça me plaît, okay? I like that. I like it, okay? I like that. And then, Susi est mon livre. You're pointing at your book. Ito ang libro ko. This is my book. Susi est mon livre, okay? Susi est mon livre. And then, ça m'intéresse en façon parler. Interesado ako dyan. That interests me when you're talking of somebody and he's talking about business or something about a book, about a cinema, about that interests me, okay? Ça m'intéresse de façon parler. Je suis intéressé, ça m'intéresse, okay? Ça m'intéresse. Ça veut dire you are interested to have that, okay? Ça m'intéresse. Okay. Ça t'intéresse? Pag tinanong niyo siya, you're talking to him. D'accord. Ça t'intéresse yung tinon, okay? Yung mu to su, okay? Pronomino. So, okay? So, they are almost the same, but it's very important in French. Cela, ceci, et ça. Okay? Okay, so let's have the examples to understand better. Okay. Complétez les phrases. We're going to complete the sentences. Numéro 1. Trop compliqué. Est-ce que c'est ceci, cela ou ça? Note your answer. Notez votre réponse, s'il vous plaît. And then 2. Ne va pas. Est-ce que ceci, cela, ça? 3. Loin est loin d'ici. Est-ce que ceci, cela ou ça? Next. Est mon stylo. Ceci, cela ou ça. 5. Est très intéressant. Ceci, cela ou ça. Note your answers. And then we're going to check them later. Merci. Okay, we have exercise 2, okay? Choisissez le bon formulaire. Piliin ang tama. Choose the correct form. Numéro 1. Est facile, okay? It's easy. Est-ce que ceci, cela ou ça? Facile is easy. 2. Est trop cher. Est trop cher, it's very expensive. Okay? It's very expensive. Ceci, cela ou ça. 3. Va bien. Okay? Are you okay? Okay. Ceci, cela ou ça. 4. Est important pour la classe. This is important for the class, for the class. Okay, for the class. Est-ce que c'est ceci, cela ou ça? 5. Est très loin. Très loin, this is très loin is far. Très loin, very far. Très is very. Loin is far. Okay? Is is. Ceci, cela et ça. Next. 6. Marche bien. Okay, you walk. It's not walking. This one. It's it working very well. Okay. Example, the computer or your cell phone. Est-ce que ça marche bien? Okay. Get it? Okay. Note your answers and we check them later. Merci. Okay, so we have the answers now. So, exercice 1 et exercice 2. Regardez, complétez les phrases. Numéro 1. Cela est trop compliqué. When the idea is a situation a little bit distant, okay, a little bit far, un peu longtemps, so you use cela. Okay? But if you are pointing at something near you, you can use ceci. Okay? But a little bit far is cela. Cela est trop compliqué. Okay? 2. Ça ne va pas. Ça ne va pas is an object near or shown. Ça ne va pas. Example, you did the fitting of the dress. Okay, ça ne va pas. Ça ne va pas, it means it's not good for you. Hindi bagay. Okay, it's not good. It's not nice with you. Okay? Next, hindi bagay. Next. 3. Cela est loin d'ici. Okay? Cela est loin d'ici. Spoken, very common. Cela est loin d'ici. You're pointing at, hi, this is very far from here. Okay? Cela est loin d'ici. You're pointing at the map. Cela est loin d'ici. This place is far. Okay? From here. Okay? Next. Ceci est mon stylo. That you are this, I'm showing and explaining that this is my ball pen. Stylo is ball pen. Don't you say, Susi est mon stylo. You're holding a ball pen. So, hawak mo yung ball pen mo. Sabihin mo, you say, Susi est mon stylo. Okay, Susi. Okay? This is mine. Okay? Next, 5. Ceci est très intéressant. Okay? Okay, by distance, Susi, far. Okay. Okay. That one is very interesting for you. Okay? Sushi. It's almost the same, le souci et cela, but it depends on how you use it. Okay? Just cela, souci ou cela. Okay? And ça, you use only ça comme si spoken, when you just say it, but not really in writing. Okay? Ça ne va pas. Comment ça va? Okay? Only when you say it. Get it? And then we have the exercice 2. Choisissez les bons formulaires. Donc, numéro 1, ceci est facile. You are pointing on it. This one is easy. Ceci est facile. Mais cela est trop cher. Ça veut dire, you're pointing on something with a robot or something like that. Cela est trop cher. Mahal. It's very expensive. That is very expensive for me. Yeah. Next. 3. Ça va bien. Ça va bien? Oui, ça va. Ça va bien. Merci. Et toi? OK, ça va bien. I'm fine, thank you. 4. Ceci est important pour la classe. So you're pointing ceci et this one is very important for the class. This is, you're pointing on something, okay? Near. Next. Cela est très loin. Cela est très loin. This union, that is very far, okay? So that is very far. And then 6, ça marche bien? Oui, ça marche bien. Okay, when you say ça marche bien, par exemple, you bought a telephone, an iPhone, or Samsung, or you bought a television. Ça marche bien? Oui, ça marche bien. Okay? Is it working well? Okay. Okay, that's the correct way. Get it? Okay, so that is how we use formel, cela et ceci. Mais informel is spoken lang. When you say just, you use sa. Ça va pas, ça, como ça va, okay? But not in writing, okay? Get them all? I hope, please don't forget them. This is very easy, but you can use them correctly in French or everyday French. Get it? Okay, merci beaucoup. Sana po wag niyong kalimutan 'to. Please don't forget also to like, subscribe, at i-comment po for more videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Ciao, ciao tout le monde. Bye.